Hello Bandura, kamo Nacho. So guys, if you are already invited in content monetization, and this video is for you. Because I will tell you how to earn money here in content monetization if you are already invited. So first, to those people that already viral, their video are already viral, like 1,000 comment on their text post, picture post, and reels video, and including the long form video. Absolutely, if they have already the content monetization, they will earn like this amount. So as you can see guys, the amount, this earning is not mine, but I'll show you the context how they earn money. So the reels, they can earn as long as you have a lot of views. Photo and text post also you can earn on this platform in content monetization. And of course, videos for the long form video, yes. So we have the possibility that we earn much money like this if we have a lot of engagement in our content. Of course, the views, the engagement, yes, possible. So, as of now, we are not viral, but those people viral like Abul Hassan, Mikay Ortiz, they are viral already, and everything they are uploading are huge. They have a lot of views. So, we expect that they are earning a lot of money. So, for example, guys, Abul Hassan, if Abul Hassan are invited already in content monetization, so, as you can see, even the text post that he made, they have 4.9 thousand comment. So guys, on this engagement, guys, they have possibility that we can earn money on text post for the engagement. And of course, for us, because we are not viral, we are not yet listed in algorithm. So I suggest that everybody or those people that always coming in our comment section, if we have time, so we need to visit them as well. And we need to reply them. And of course, we need to visit their videos so that in return, we have return views. It means if you visited those persons that always coming in your comment section, in return, they will return back. They will visit you. They will watch also your videos. And of course, why these people are viral? Why these people are viral? Why a lot of followers, a lot of people are following them? What happened? Because what they are doing are they are making informative entertainment content so that everybody, organic people are coming to their house. They follow this person because they like them without any circumstances. So guys, we need to be careful that, in order to gain more organic followers, we need to create informative entertainment content so that everybody is always coming in our video. They are waiting our entertainment content. So that's important, guys, that always we need to create in our content. As a content creator, it's not all about live. Okay, live is okay sometimes, but live now is after 30 days. That will be automatic deleted by Facebook. So we need to focus on creating content. If you have already the content monetization, yes, because okay, given the star, we are earning star if people or followers that watching in our live during in our live session or in our videos, they are giving star from us. But if no one are giving us, then we are not earning on the star. So I suggested to everybody that please instead just try to study and create entertainment, informative content align with the Facebook guideline, because if you are making content but the content is not aligned with the Facebook guideline, so it might be your tools will remove by Facebook. If your video is not aligned with the Facebook community guideline, your tools will be removed by Facebook. So we need to be careful that our content must be aligned with the content community guideline. So what else? Video which is not allowed here in Facebook. Of course, the videos which is not suitable to the audience, the video is violence, and the video which is flag content. Like if you are mocking to the other people and you are telling bad words to the other people, which is this is not allowed and this is not acceptable by Facebook. So we need to be careful on that so that our Facebook health is okay and there is no risk for violation. So always avoid those kind of what I said because we earn on Facebook by creating entertainment, informative videos, and if they have a chance that algorithm will come to us, believe me guys, so we will have a chance to gain more followers, gain viral videos, and of course, since we are not yet viral guys, we need to focus on the engagement of course because as we know that these people are already viral like Abul Hassan and Mikay from the Philippines, they are already viral and thousand of comment. So if we are coming there and comment on their video, so we are not expecting return back to them because they have already thousand of comment and definitely they cannot handle it by replying all of the comment on their comment section. But for us, like we have only 100 comment, 200 comment in our comment section. So definitely, if we have a time, we need to give time to visit them, not only replying on their comment. We need to visit them also if they are comment in our video. We need to visit them. We need to go to their video and watch their video. And of course, comment on their videos. That's most important so that they are aware or they are noticing us that we are watching them also so that in return they will return back to us. So guys, I hope this video is enlightened on your question about content monetization, question about content monetization, how to earn money. So if you like this video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.